Hello.
Today I'm here with Popo. I try to visit at least 2 times a month and I always do her skincare, so let's do that today. She already washed her face, so we're going in with the cream mist from Dr. Althea.
呢邊冇嘅。
可以咁排入去，細力咁樣排入去，用啲米整嘅。
係啊。
Next we're using Sorasu serum. 高啲，用晒啦，冇得出嘅。
有。
呢個係用人參整嘅。
係啊。
有個人參味啊？
係啊。
呢個好多中國人中意呢個牌子嘅。Next we're gonna use this night cream from Super Egg. The founder Erica is a friend of mine and all her products are so good. 呢個咧係我朋友整嘅。我朋友個牌子嚟嘅。
自己整㗎。係
啊，唔使搽落個手，直接搽落個皮膚，冇咁乾啊！夜晚黑你開 heat， 呢個特別冬天搽好好㗎。係啊。Next we're using this retinol eye cream from Beauty of Chosun. 呢個又係有人參喺入邊嘅，呢個就搽喺眼下邊呢度，冇整到落個眼度啊，整到落個鼻啦，喺呢度咁樣，黑眼圈啊，如果呢度巢皮啊，搽呢個好嘅。On top of the eye cream, we're gonna apply Chanel eye patches. 名牌啊！滑啲個皮膚又冇咁巢，又光啲。We also have to take care of the lips. We're using Round Labs lip balm. 搽落個嘴唇嘅，潤嘴嘅。哇！你搽出咗啦！
拜拜，下次再見啊！